What's going on, everybody? Today we at the Cosmopolitan, gonna do a room tour of the Chelsea Penthouse Suite in suite number 6013. Let's check it out. Alrighty, so walking into this huge spacious penthouse, immediately to your left you have a half bathroom, one of I guess two you could say, but you've got a really nice spacious half bathroom here. So there's your toilet back there, and then here you've got your single vanity sink with a nice bright backlit mirror. Coming out of the bathroom, this is going to be in your entertainment space. So right across you have your wet bar area. This is a very nice space for entertaining guests. So you do have your sink here, then down below I think this is just some cabinets and things to store. And so you got plenty of storage all the way across. You have a really nice countertop space. And then making your way over here, you have a mini fridge with your alcohol and stuff stocked. So as always, just grab it out of the mini refrigerator and it'll charge your card at check-in if you choose to do so. You've got some snacks here if you want to purchase things. Down on this side, you have a microwave. So this is very convenient for those who get late night munchies, especially like us from all of the partying. So you got plenty of space, and then you've got some extra cups on the shelves and another mirror if you need to see what's going on. So you've got a very nice wet bar, and as you can see, this is your living room, dining room area. It is very, very, very large. So as you see over here on this side, you've got your flat screen TV. Before I fully get over there, let me show y'all the other side of the bar. You do have 3 chairs for your bar stool, so perfect for entertaining guests. But this is your flat screen TV. And then below your flat screen TV, you do have a connectivity panel. So if you want to hook up your media devices, you can do so. And then you have plenty of drawers and space down here. If you need to put things away, just press it and boom, you got extra storage down there. But for the sake of time, we're not going to go through all of those. As you can see, you have a nice sectional couch. Got the homies over here chilling. And we'll start on this side. Over here you've got a hot top table, so again, if you've got guests, you've got plenty of places to store them. Cosmo is giving away the welcome mats with the welcome kits with the face mask, hand sanitizers, and pins, so that's cool for those of y'all who might have forgotten the mask somehow. Now this is the view from the living room, so you get a nice view of the strip. You can also see the city through the floor-to-ceiling windows, and as you can see, there is a balcony. It's just not accessible from the living room, and we're going to go see why. So as we leave the living room, we'll go over this way to the master bedroom first, because it is 2 bedrooms in this penthouse. So as you come into the master bedroom, immediately to your left, you have one of 3 closets. This is a walk-in closet, very nice size closet. So you've got just some hangers in here, but if you need to store things, as you see, you've got plenty of space. Walking into the bedroom area, as you can see, it is a huge bedroom, very spacious, very, very nice and clean. So you walk right into your king size bed. You do have a footer below, and we'll go this way and walk backwards since I go to the other room. On this side, you have a swing chair here, so if you want to get your swing on and kick it, you can. You have a lamp, and then bedside you actually have a tablet so that you can control, oh, if I don't hit that too hard, you actually have a tablet so you can control the TV, shades, listen to some music, control all the lighting from the tablet bedside. And then directly across from the king bed, you have a flat screen TV, another TV as well. And you also have a work desk space. So you've got a chair if you're here in business, have a nice dedicated space, which also has a connectivity panel. So if you need to hook up to media while you're in here, you definitely can do so. And then as you see here, you've just got a bunch of drawers over here. So plenty of storage between the closets and the drawers. Now this is the balcony, so it's not through the entire penthouse suite, but you do have one. It's just access from the master bedroom, and as you can see, you get a beautiful view. So you can see the strip, There's Aria, and then you can see the city. So real nice view, but this is your balcony, so you need to access it. Just come through the master bedroom. Don't think that's that big of a deal at all. Carrying on, we'll go over to the master bathroom. And before we get there, let me show you all the additional closets. So you have another closet on this side. Again, just your luggage rack and hangers, but that's closet number 2. And then directly across from closet number 2 is closet number 3, which is probably your main closet, as you have some complimentary robes in here. Down below you have a very nice size in-room safe, so if you need to lock up your valuables, you've got a very nice space in there. And then over there, as you see, you have a luggage rack, but you also have your ironing board. So let's check out the master bathroom, and then we'll go check out bedroom number 2. So as soon as you walk into the bathroom, you walk into a humongous full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. Make sure you're looking fresh on your way out. Over to the right, you have a very nice size soaking tub. It's also a jacuzzi tub, so if you want to get your fizz on, there's a button right here that'll bubble it up for you. And then directly across, you have a sink with a TV in it, so if you wanted to watch TV, you got a little TV there with your backlit mirror. And then of course, you have a vanity mirror, so for those who need to glamify themselves, boom, boom, you got a nice mirror with some additional lighting. Heading over this way, you also have another sink. So yes, you do have a dual vanity sinks. They're just isolated. This one, you also have a very nice size backlit mirror above. You also have a TV there as well. There is your sink. And then this is your walk-in shower. So beautiful, beautiful walk-in shower. As you see, you have clean, nice tiling, but dual shower heads. So you've got a very nice size space in this walk-in shower, and double head shower head. I'm sure you can't beat that. So there's your walk-in shower, and then over here is the water closet for the toilet. So as you see, your toilet's there, and you have the door to close that off. So this is your master bedroom, master bathroom. Very, very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and walk on over to the other side of this penthouse suite, so you can check out the second bedroom, and then we'll wrap up this video. But if you come into Vegas and you're gonna have a big party, you definitely might wanna consider this, because as you can see, it's so much space in here. You could probably have a concert in here if you wanted to, but super nice. So this is access to bedroom number 2. So this would be, I guess, your guest bedroom, if you wanna call it that. As soon as you come in, immediately to the left, you have your closet. So lights up as you open up everything. You've got your ironing board, and you've got robes here as well. Also have another in-room safe. So you actually have 2 in-room safes if you may need them. Same thing in here. You have a nice, or you have your flat screen TV, but you have a work desk space. So if you need to do some work or you need to handle some things from this room, you definitely can. And you also have a connectivity panel to connect your media with a very, very nice flat screen TV. And so making our way around this room, as you see, you've got floor to ceiling windows. The views continue, very beautiful views. And because this penthouse is so sweet, of course, you can probably see now why the balcony doesn't go all the way through the penthouse. But here is your king bed, so very similar to the bed in the master bedroom. You also have your tablet over there to control all the lighting. And we will check out the bathroom in the second bedroom, and it is very similar to your master bathroom. So same thing, you get a walk-in shower. You've got your dual shower heads with the clean tiling. And then as you see here, you've got your dual vanity sinks with your huge backlit mirror. So really, really nice, can't beat it. And then directly across from your sink next to your walk-in shower, you have a second jacuzzi tub. So you've got 2 tubs, 2 jacuzzi tubs, can't beat it. And then this is the door for the water closet for this bathroom. So this is probably one of the nicest suites that I have stayed in Vegas, one of the biggest most certainly, and it is absolutely a beautiful, Beautiful suite if you're considering it. Before we leave, I'm gonna show y'all this secret little access way because I have no idea what's back here. But when you come out of the second bedroom, you can come around this way. There's nothing on this side, and then there's a couple of doors. So I'm gonna guess like if housekeeping or people from the Cosmo need to come and check on the suite, they have access that way. But with this being on the 60th floor, you do have to have a room key to actually get up on this floor. So it is definitely secluded. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you all enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.